Hello, and welcome. Today we're going to discuss the United States Constitution and some of the basic principles behind the document. It describes the relationship between the United States government and the citizens and states that it governs. It replaced the Articles of Confederation and became the supreme law of the land.
Article 1.
The United States Constitution consists of 7 articles. The first article created the legislative branch and established a bicameral Congress consisting of the House of Representatives and the Senate. The first article also set up the qualifications and the process for election to these positions.
Article 2.
The second article established the executive branch, or the presidency. It defined the presidential term at 4 years and set up the process for succession, the amount of pay the president will receive, and created the oath that the president must take upon entering office. It established the powers that the president has and his relationship to Congress.
Article 3.
The third article created the judicial branch. It established the Supreme Court as the highest judicial authority in the United States. It has the authority to oversee lower courts and review any decisions made by these courts. It also established your right to receive a trial by a jury of your peers.
Article 4.
Article 4 describes the state's powers and the limits on those powers. It details the relationship between the states and the federal government. It maintains that each state must respect the laws of the other states and understand that the laws of the federal government reign supreme.
Article 5.
Article 5 of the Constitution details the provisions for amending the Constitution. There are currently 27 amendments in place. An amendment may be ratified one of 3 ways. First, by obtaining 2/3 approval of Congress, along with the state's approval. Secondly, 2/3 of the state legislators may apply to Congress for a constitutional convention, which the state still must then approve. Finally, Congress can apply for a special convention, in which also 3/4 of the states have to approve.
Article 6.
Article 6 establishes federal powers. It defines the Constitution as the supreme law of the land and requires the judges from each state to uphold this law. It again reiterates that federal law takes precedence over state law.
Article 7.
Article 7 ratified the Constitution when on June 21st, 1788, New Hampshire became the 9th of 13 states to adopt the document, therefore fulfilling the requirement for the 3/4 majority. The delegates of the Philadelphia Convention authored the document, in which 39 of the 55 members signed it.